Welcome to the Art Chick channel. Today we're working on these adorable little owl diamond painting keychains by outdoortide.com. Enjoy! Next is they're little keychains, and they're the DIY diamond art. So if you were ever thinking about trying diamond art, but the big posters, which I haven't even done yet, that won't, it just seems like a big project. You could start with these little cute keychains. It came with all of everything you need to make a keychain, and it's a bunch of them, so if you want to have a little party and do them, I think that's perfect. Because unlike epoxy, this you won't need to like have anything extra. You could just have everything right there to do it. So we're going to work on one of those next. All right, let's look up closer. There's letters all in here. And then when you get the packages, there's a letter right there. And it comes with this bead thing. Bead pen, I don't know what it's called exactly. But there's all of them. And then this is a V, U. In the kit, you get this tray. And this is a little bit of wax. So there is a cover on it. And then you peel that away. Then you take your pen and you scoop up a little bit of this wax here. Then you have a little bit on there. Sorry. And when you pour out your rhinestones, I don't know why I call them beads, but I do sometimes. This feels like beads to me. You could, oops, shake them around, and then easily pick up your beads or rhinestones, whichever, to be able to put them on. And this one doesn't have the sticky off, but just to show you, and you just plop, and then they could all come out, or you could shake it carefully and to be able to put it back into your bag. For the purpose of this video, though, I didn't use this. It was a little hard because my hand's already in the way sometimes, and I just had it on the side, which is fine. Especially if you're doing a party, you don't have more of these, so you have to just pass it around, of course, with this too. When I first started, I just used this and just was trying to put them on, and it's a lot harder. So the wax definitely is a must-have to do, and you don't have to hold the little bead pen very hard because it will easily pick them up. So this wax is really needed. Alrighty, onto the video. Now when you're ready, there's a little film. Just take it off. Now I have X. For a little tip, this owl's pretty sticky, so I just took the covering and put it right on it so I can make it easier to move it around